People are landing on your event website, but not signing up. You've put in the work, created the landing page, promoted your event, and still, registrations are lower than expected. What's going wrong? Small mistakes can cost big time. For a deep dive into what might be sabotaging your signups, check out our guide, 8 event registration mistakes that hurt signups and how to fix them. It's packed with solutions you can implement right away. The link's in the description below. Let's break down the most common event registration mistakes so you can spot them before they cost you attendees. Mistake number 1, overcomplicated forms. Too many questions, unclear instructions, or mandatory fields that don't apply? Attendees don't have the patience. Keep it simple and fast. Mistake number 2, poor page design. If your registration page looks outdated or isn't optimized for mobile, it's a red flag. Clean, branded, and responsive design builds trust instantly. Mistake number 3, hidden fees at checkout. Surprise costs at the end? That's a surefire way to drive people away. Be upfront with pricing from the start. Mistake number 4, no confirmation or follow-up. Leaving your attendees wondering if their spot is saved? Set up instant confirmation emails and timely reminders to keep them informed and engaged. Mistake number 5, ignoring the user journey. Your registration flow should feel natural, not like a maze. Walk through it yourself or test with others before launch. Event registration might seem simple, but even small missteps can cause big drop-offs. Fixing these mistakes can mean the difference between an empty room and a packed house. Get it right from the start. Want to see all 8 registration mistakes and exactly how to fix them? Head over to our full blog guide for expert tips and proven fixes. You'll find the link waiting in the description. Like, share, subscribe for more smart event strategies.